In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send unique messages on Instagram. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to send cool messages through the direct messages on Instagram. So all that you have to do is open the latest version of the Instagram app, and when you go over to your direct messages, you will be able to initiate a new message. So go over to any chat with any person that you have here, and now to write unique messages, all that you have to do is send your message here. So you can type whatever you wish to say, and then if you tap this little magnifying glass icon, as you can see on the left, you will be able to choose from various effects. So first, you will notice the stickers. You can send these if you would like. As you can see, they look cool as well, but the actual unique message effects are going to be at the top. So as you can see right here, we have four main effects. We have the hearts, the little gift box, this one that has a bunch of effects behind the message, and then this one with fire. So when you tap any of these, the message will be sent. If you send this little present one, they will have to tap the present box and then the message will appear. So it's nice if you want to make a surprise. If you type something else, you can also go ahead and send the other ones. So this is how they all look like. They will all have these animated effects, and once the person sees the message, they will have some sort of unique effect. So the hearts will send some hearts flying everywhere. This one will have confetti pop up, and this one will have the flames go up. So it is a nice way to spice up your messages, make them more unique, and of course this one can be used for a lot of stuff. And if you reset the chat, you will be able to see them again. So all that you have to do is write your message, tap the magnifying glass icon, and you will be able to send these cool, unique messages. If you don't see the magnifying glass icon, make sure that you update Instagram to the latest version available. I hope I was able to help you on how to send unique messages on Instagram. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.